Welcome to Anjodey Vlogs from Goa. Long vacations are in queue. I know, definitely you guys will be planning for a trip. How about Goa now? Let's see what is the current situation in Goa. Traveling to Goa, you have many options by air, by road, by rail. So, whichever options you are going to choose, the travel rules or guidelines are going to be the same. You will have to provide the RT-PCR test report or the vaccination certificate. When I say the vaccination certificate, you should have completed 2 doses of vaccine and you should have completed 15 days after the second dose of vaccine. That is, if you are vaccinated on 1st of September, that is your second dose was done on 1st of September, then you can pitch in, you can come into Goa after 15th. That means you would have completed 15 days. So from 16th of September, you are always welcome to Goa. When we talk about the RT-PCR certificate, it should be valid within the 72 hours of your sample collection. One good news is that not only RT-PCR test, they will accept any of the ICMR approved tests like the antigen test also. So about our journey, we came by bike to Goa from Bangalore. We took the Chitradurga Hubli route. When we reached the Karnataka-Goa border, there was a thorough checkup by the officials and they were verifying all our RT-PCR test results. सर एंटीजन टेस्ट भी एक्सेप्ट करेगा हाँ in case you are not carrying your RT-PCR test result or you don't have your vaccination certificate, then definitely you have the option to get it tested at the border. While returning also guys, in the Goa-Karnataka border, the Karnataka officials were checking for the vaccination certificate or the RT-PCR test report. Dears, one important news which I would like to share for the international tourist is that from 15th of October, visa is open for chartered flights for the international tourist. After 15th of November, it seems that the regular flights will also be open for the international tourist. That's all about how you have to travel and enter to Goa. If you have any queries, you can definitely mention it in the comment box and I will definitely respond to that. The casino lovers, here is your time to visit Goa. Good news, all casinos are open in Goa. Here also the rules apply the same as before. You will have to provide your RT-PCR test result which is valid within the 72 hours, or you will have to provide your vaccination certificate of completion of 2 doses and you should have completed 15 days from the second dose. Have you guys ever tried the river cruise in Goa? If not, you can give it a try. River cruise is also open in Goa. Shacks and nightclubs. Most of you might be visiting Goa definitely to spend some good time with your family or your friends in shacks or nightclubs. What about those? Yeah, those are also open, but not the Tito's nightclub. But that doesn't matter. If you are in Goa, definitely you can spend all your nice vibe in Goa with all the shacks and nightclubs open here. We also had been to one of the famous nightclub which is a Sync nightclub. It was really happening out there guys. We really had a very nice, awesome, splendid time there. In beaches, how can you miss the water games? Yes, all water games and other adventure sports are open in Goa like before. So definitely give it a try.
केवल वाटर राइड हो जाएगा, वाटर राइड हो जाएगा, इतना नहीं हो जाएगा, ज़्यादा दूर नहीं है।
History enthusiast, how can you miss visiting the forts? There are a lot of famous forts in Goa. You can definitely go there. It is open now. How about visiting the ancient churches which are built in beautiful Portugal architecture? Yes, the churches are also open, but don't delay, don't wait until late evening because it might be closed before that. So, if you are planning to visit churches, go before and be on time. Don't go for late evenings. Yes, the famous waterfall in Goa, Dudhsagar waterfalls. The jeep service which was operating for Dudhsagar is not currently working. In that case, you can opt for trekking. If you are really healthy enough, I will definitely suggest that. For people who are planning for a Goa trip, I can suggest you some good itinerary. If you are a party lover, you can opt for North Goa. North Goa will be usually crowded, full of parties, nightclubs, shacks, etc. North Goa has some of the famous beaches in Goa like the Baga beach, Anjuna, Kalangut, Cantilim, etc. So definitely you can give it a try if you are a real party lover. Also, if you want to find some serene, quiet, calm beaches in north, you have options for that also. You have to go a bit norther, that is towards Arampol, Ashwam beaches, etc. So there you can find a better calm and quiet beaches in north. If you're a casino lover, then you can definitely stay in Pancham and attend most of the casino parties. In Pancham, you can find a lot of Goan traditional food also. So if you're a food lover and wanted to explore a lot of Goan cuisines, I would say you will have to try out some of the restaurants in Pancham. What if you have come out of all your busy schedule, you want a peaceful atmosphere, only with some shacks, some like less crowded, and you want to spend some meditating time over in Goa, then where you have to visit? You will have to definitely try out some of the South Goa beaches. In South Goa also I can say Palolem, Kolva are a bit crowded when compared to the other beaches, but definitely you can go to beaches like Agonda, which where we are currently in, Kola beach, etc. and you can have your peaceful time out there. Maybe you can find a good beach resort, you can stay there, you can have your chilling times, whatever you like, you can try it out there and spend some awesome time in Goa. With all this information shared to my dear lovely viewers, I would believe this is gonna really help you for your future plans, trip plans to Goa. Many more exciting videos are on the way from Goa, so please do stay to my channel, watch all my videos, shower all your love on me, keep commenting if you have any queries. Do subscribe to my channel, follow me guys, love you all, bye, take care from Goa.